የሊዮ ቤተ መንግስት ያለምንም ተከላካይነት በሲቲላንድ ሰዎች እየተሰለለ ነው።
The extraction point is here, at the plaza. Understood. Falcon 333 will be airborne. Good. No delays. Falcon 333. The Saints' invisible refuge. No army has found it. Only you and King Leo know its path. Tell me, will you deliver it? Majesty Leo trusts me as his near messenger. He believes I carry his words like a loyal servant. He does not see the shadow behind my face. Falcon 333 is hidden, but I can make it visible. Good. We do not disarm. We soft will fly. The Falcon betrayal. Good. We do not conquer with swords alone, we conquer with deception. Draft the surrender, place our seal upon it. Commander, when Leo reads it, he will believe Cityland has yielded, his guard will fall. And when his guard falls, Falcon 333 will open. The Saints will think themselves safe, but I will lead your hand beneath their prayers. Their tears will not protect them. Then it is decided. Carry the paper, speak of surrender, and when the time comes, Peaceland's soul will be swallowed by Cityland's wisdom.
ንጉስ ሊዮንን ለመያዝ ተላላኪና መልእክተኛውን መያዙ ቀላል አድርጎላቸዋል። ንጉስ ሊዮ የሲቲላንድ ሰዎች ይልቁንም እሱ ያለበትን ቦታ አውቀው ማፕ ሰርተው አቅጣጫውን ሁሉ ወስነው ሊወሩትና ሊያስለቅቁት እንዳሰቡ ምንም አይነት ሐሳብ አልመጣለትም። ይልቁንም እነሱ በትንሽዬ ዳኮታ አውሮፕላን እየተመላለሱ በየጊዜው ይሰልሉት ነበር። ይህ ሁሉ ሲሆን ጠባቂዎች ስለሌሉት የሚያውቀው ነገር አልነበረም። ግን አንድ መልእክት መጣለት። ፋልከን 333። ይህ መልእክት ምን ይሁን? ይህ ሁሉ ለንጉስ ሊዮ በህልሙ የመጣለት መልእክት ነው። የሚገርመው ነገር ቢኖር ግን ለሲቲላንድ ሰዎች አንድ ያልተገለጠላቸው ነገር ቢኖር ይህ ቤተ መንግስት ልዩ ተአምርና በራሱ ሰዓት የሚሰወርና የሚታይ መሆኑ ነው። ለዚህ ነበር ንጉስ ሊዮ ያለ ብዙ ወታደሮችና ጠባቂ ብቻውን በቤተ መንግስት ከአንድ መልእክተኛ ጋርና ከአንድ የቅርብ አገልጋይ ጋር አብሮት ከሚኖር ሰው ጋር ያለው።
Hallowed be thy name. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen.
ትንሽዬ የምታምር መንደር ናት። የፒስላንድ ስደተኞች የመሰረቷ ስትሆን በውስጧ አባቶች ቅዱሳኖች ይኖራሉ። ደብል ኤጀንቱ ወደ ንጉስ ሊዮ እየተላከ ነው። የቅርብ ወዳጅ የቅርብ ሰላይ ነውና።
My lord, the eastern borders are breached. How many? Too many. We must rally. Then I will lead. Majesty, I bring urgent news. Cityland has surrendered Falcon 333. Their armies retreat, their pride broken. This is victory. My lord, this message from Cityland. Falcon 333, except you and me. The Saints never spoke of it. How did Cityland find it? Perhaps divine revelation? Perhaps their spies are cleverer than we thought. No. The Saints are pure. They would never betray. The only shadow near Falcon 333 is you. Majesty, I am loyal. I serve your crown. The only shadow near Falcon 333 is you. Tell me, you the hand that led them? Majesty,
ንጉስ ሊዮ ጠላቱን አውቆታል።
Majesty, I am loyal. I serve your crown. Cityland's surrender is proof of our triumph. Triumph without truth is poison. I dreamed of a bomb that fell yet did not explode, swallowed by the light of the cross. That dream warns me. Onward to the kingdom! Let the realm see our glory!
የፒስላንዱ ሁለተኛው ንጉስ ሊዮ ወደ ቤተ መንግስት እየገባ ነው። ንጉሱ ቤተሰቡና ሽማምንቶቹ የቤተ መንግስት ምሳ ስርዓት ላይ ናቸው።
Towers to the cleansing of old beliefs. I will reshape this city with reason, not rituals.
ሁለተኛው ንጉስ ቲዮ በመጣው እድገትና ለውጥ በሄዱትም ቅዱሳን እየታበየ ነው።
Peaceland and Jungle Land, they are primitive, lazy and lost. Primitive, he mocks his own.
የፒስላንድ ንጉሱ ሁለተኛው ቲዮ
Jungle Land and his
ንጉስ ሊዮን ሊተች አንደበቱን ከፈተ። በመጀመሪያ ግን የፒስላንድ ህዝቦች ስንፍናቸውንና ኋላ ቀርነታቸውን ነበር የተቸው።
But some truths are deeper than strategy. Teo, you speak of cleansing, but you forget your father.
My father, that jungle dreamer, he vanished into vines.
የኢላራ ልጅ
What did he ever build? What did he ever
ሁለተኛው ንጉስ ቲዮ በአባቱ በንጉስ ሊዮ ተዘባበተ፣ ሳቀበትም።
You don't know your dad, Teo. But he knew you before you were born. He is 4D, you are less than 3D. They won you, but they will never win Peaceland. They won you, but they will never win Peaceland.
Peace weak. These saints are broken. I will erase their memory.
My son, you have forsaken our ways.
I will erase their memory.
But you are stagnant, a betrayer. You mock God in his own palace. You insult the soul of the earth.
I will erase their memory.
ኢላራ በልጇ መታበይ አዝና ምሳውን አቋርጣ ወጣች። ታምረኛው የሊዮ ቤተ መንግስት ከመሬት ውስጥ የሚለቀውን መግነጢሳዊ ብርሃኑን ለቀቀ። ይህን የሚያደርገው አንድ ነገር እንደሚመጣ ወይም በሚቀጥለው ጊዜ አደጋ እንደሚኖር የሚያሳይበት ምልክት ነው። ይህ ቤተ መንግስቱ በአስፈላጊ ሰዓት እንዲሰወር የሚረዳው መግነጢሳዊ ኃይል ነው። እየነጋጋ ፀሐይ ወርቃማ ብርሃኗን ፈንጥቃለች። መንደሩ ሲታይ በየቦታው ቁጭ ያሉ የወርቅ አሉሎ የሚመስሉ ቤቶች አሉ። አዎ የተፈራው ነገር አልቀረም። ለየት ያሉ ውበር የሚያደርጉ ቦታዎች ብዬ